Improvisation is an incredibly useful technique to know as a guitar player. It's an often overlooked skill that many people don't bother to learn. Today, I'll be teaching on how to improvise in the key of A minor, or C major. I'll be using the A minor pentatonic scale to do so, which means that if you play the scale in any order or any way over a backing, or also called a jam track, in A minor, it will sound good. The part you'll want to focus on is called the fretboard, which is filled with many of these small metal bumps that, when pressed, while the corresponding string is plucked, play a different note. First, you place your index finger on the 5th fret of the biggest string and pluck it. Then, for the next note in the scale, you place your pinky 3 frets up on the 8th fret and do the same. You then move up another string, your index finger staying on the 5th fret. But instead of using your pinky, you place your ring finger on the 7th fret. You repeat this shape for the next 2 strings up. But then, the shape changes for the last time on the 5th string. It returns to the original shape with the index still on the 5th and your pinky on the 8th, which then repeats itself once again on the 6th and final string. Now mess around with it. Play it in any order, incorporate bends, play it over a backing track. Have fun with it. This is only the first box of the pentatonic scale, so once you get comfortable, you can learn the other 4 to use the entire fretboard.